I'm Beth Dixon and we're here at Kitchen Classroom, and today we're going to be making a last word. This is a great cocktail, really nice, easy cocktail to learn, but it has lots of complicated liqueurs in it. But it is an equal parts cocktail, and I really enjoy those for teaching people how to make drinks because it's easy to remember. It involves 4 ingredients. We've got some gin. This is actually Citadel gin. It's from France. We've got some maraschino liqueur. This is Luxardo maraschino liqueur from Italy. Then we also have some green chartreuse, which is a little hard to find these days, but it's made by the Carthusian monks in France, so a nice French herbal liqueur. And we've got some fresh lime juice. So 4 ingredients, but we're gonna be measuring them out in equal parts. So we're gonna grab our Boston shaker, and we're gonna start measuring out 3/4 of an ounce of each of these ingredients. So we'll start by grabbing our jigger. We're gonna do 3/4 of an ounce of gin. You could use any London dry gin. Citadel is what we had on hand today, but it's a great gin. And 3/4 of an ounce of this maraschino liqueur. And 3/4 of an ounce of green chartreuse. And 3/4 of an ounce of lime juice. And the last thing we're gonna do is add ice to our shaker. It's gonna get really loud in a second, but with shaking, the rule of thumb is that you wanna do it until your cocktail is very well chilled. So you wanna see kind of frost on the outside. You wanna hear the ice breaking down. But the length of time really depends on how hard you shake and the size of your ice. So we're gonna put the top on, give it a tap to seal it, and we're just gonna shake this until it's really cold. All right, so we've got a nice frosty shaker here, and I've already got my cocktail glass chilling. This is a Nick and Nora glass. You could use a coupe glass or a martini glass if you like. We're gonna grab our Hawthorne strainer and put it spring side down here. We even grab a double strainer just to strain out any little shards of ice. We're gonna strain into that chilled cocktail glass. And then lastly, we're gonna garnish with a nice Luxardo cherry. So we're gonna get one of these nice cherries out of here. All right, and plop that in there. And there you have it. This is the last word. Cheers.